Hello, I'm Raghi Oman. This is Witness. Banja Luka was a sleepy provincial town in Bosnia until it rose to international prominence during the Balkan Wars of the 1990s, becoming synonymous with the upheaval of the conflicts which ripped apart Tito's Yugoslavia. Since the conflict ended, Banja Luka has become the official capital of the Republika Srpska, and the city repopulated with returning refugees and Serb economic migrants from other parts of the former Yugoslavia. According to some estimates, these migrants now make up 1/3 of the population. Filmmaker Duška Zagorac was one of the many people who fled Banja Luka in the early 1990s, taking safety in London to escape the war. After 15 years' exile, she decided to return to discover for herself what had become of the town of her youth. And she was in for a surprise. In her eye-opening film, Mao in Bosnia, Duška found that a prime engine of the rebirth in Banja Luka has been a steady influx of Chinese immigrants, encouraged to set up homes and businesses because of the economic opportunities afforded by the return of peace. Here's the story of Mao in Bosnia.
Once a provincial Bosnian town in former Yugoslavia, Banja Luka became the capital of the newly formed Bosnian Serb entity, Republika Srpska, following the Dayton Peace Agreement in 1995. I was one of 2 million people forcibly displaced during the Bosnian War. After 15 years of exile in London, I returned to my homeland to find new immigrants have moved in. Chinese acupuncturist Dr. Liu is one of them. I was curious when I heard that there are over 40,000 Chinese people living in the territories of former Yugoslavia today. I was particularly keen to meet Chin, a 21-year-old from Kinezi, who had become something of a local celebrity after she started singing popular Bosnian turbo folk music.
Aj Čin, pripaz malo na to što pjevaš. Nije udališ, nego udariš. Ajde opet. Dragi, i da me udališ, pa svima ne bi boleo. Udariš. Pa u recu udariš, nemoj udališ.
Chin is learning the ropes from her friend Nina, who is also a recent immigrant to Banja Luka. Her Serbian family fled Croatia during the war. Nina dreams of becoming a turbo folk star, like her idol Jelena Karleuša.
Pa meni se inače najviše dopada kako izgleda Jelena Karleuša, pošto je ona i plava i onako njen tip, i muzika i baš se odvaja od svih pjevačica, jedinstvena. Mislim da to teško ko može imitirati, ali to je neka pop, folk, neka nova verzija. I najviše mi se sviđa to što ona ne krije da je ugradila silikone u grudi, u usne, dok druge pjevačice naravno to prikriju. Da zalupi vratima i po... Evo, to nema R.
Pa ja nisam znala pleš. Dok nisam izlazila, ozbiljno. Ljudi mene kaže, ta trne gusi. Ja komplet. Svi to tijelo ovako, ja došao i... Samo to radi. Uopšte mene ne znam gdje ni gusi, gdje ni to, niti ništa. Ja sam ti bila uvijek na sport. Uvijek nosila široke zato što je bilo for, široke hlače, majice do vode, u kina bila mode. I torba, znaš, i baš je dječak, ja, baš dječak. Došao ovdje kao štikla, hlače uski, da se vidi linije. Joj, brati, ja rekao, ja tek sada znam kako ja imam tijelo, Bože, sačve.
Kako si to?
Turbo folk became the dominant cultural reference for the young generation here after the war. Much like rap, it evolves around power and money and is not shy of promoting physical violence. Chin came to Banja Luka to join her parents, Li Ping and Zilong, who, like most of the Chinese, came to Bosnia following a cousin who told them there were great business opportunities here.
Brate. Zavisi kome.
Može?
Možda tebi nije kiselo, meni je možda kiselo. Meni.
Ja ću ovo.
Marka 10.
Tu dođe Marka.
Marka. Na tebe Marka.
Hvala, doćenja. Kad sam početka došla, naravno da mi to neopćini. Ja čak sam htjela vraćati u Kinu nakon mjesec dana kad sam svađala sa moj tata mama, pošto ne znamo jeziku. A sada kako živjela 7 godina već su navikali, zatkali ovdje ima fini zrak i zdravlje. Pogotovo moja mama što ona ide u Kinu, ona ti odmah bolesna jer nije navikala da je klima. Već naučila ovdje klima.